Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying fundamentals. Make sure your router and PC are connected, and test with one or two other devices to confirm the network. Once done, restart the router and reboot your computer to clear transient issues. This often restores connectivity. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies, then open Roblox. Com in an incognito or alternate browser to rule out extension or profile problems. If that loads, one of your extensions or cached files was the culprit. Disable them and retry. Now move into network-level fixes. Open command prompt and flush DNS with ipconfig/flushtons, then run ipconfig/release followed by ipconfig/renew to get a fresh IP lease. If the site still fails, change your DNS to a public resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 because slow or blocked DNS can prevent Roblox. Com from resolving. Use ping and tracert to see where requests stop, and make sure your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the site. Temporarily disable them to test, then re-enable with adjusted rules. Finish with application and system-level steps. Reinstall the Roblox app or update your browser and operating system to the latest versions because outdated clients can fail to connect. Inspect your host's file for any lines that map Roblox. Com to 127, 0, 0, 1 or other addresses and remove them, then reboot. If the problem persists, test using a mobile hotspot to isolate ISP issues. If the site works there, contact your ISP. One key troubleshooting tip: collect ping/tracert logs before you call support to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.